Hey guys, I'm back. With another video. I'm finna do a closure install on my little cousin right here, y'all.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, baby, I'm trusting you, fighting on my mind, fighting on my life, you, I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad, but I feel it in my chest and I want it, yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can.
Hey, client, none of your basketball buddies, and certainly not Joan and her coven.
Look, y'all.
What about my
And staff niggas.
Hey guys, so yeah, I just got through. I was just doing my little cousin hair. I had quite a few people today. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm gonna go to Five Below because I just want to get some t-shirts for work. And I usually wear those $5 t-shirts. I'll get those and wear them with some leggings. And I just can't find none of my t-shirts now. So we're gonna go to Five Below, probably get something to eat. And I need to look for some curtains. I still have the temporary curtains up in my suite. Y'all know this is another location. Yes, I have moved again, but you know, whatever. But yeah, I'm about to go to Five Below. Y'all want to go to Five Below with me? Come on, let's go. Okay, y'all, I didn't go eat. I was going to go eat, but I went to Panera Bread. And I got me a grilled cheese sandwich. Oh, it came with chips and stuff too. And some turkey chili. I'm gonna eat some of this grilled cheese sandwich right now because I'm hungry. And then I'm just right here outside of Five Below. I'm gonna go out in there. I wanted to go get something to drink, but I got a little slight cough. So I want to start recording more, but I just be kind of like, they didn't grill it that good. But y'all, this cheese on this sucker, the cheese on this on this thing is so, it's like some thick government cheese, but it's the best grilled cheese sandwich you could ever have. Look how thick that cheese is. It's so good. When I was losing weight before, I used to eat these damn things every day with all this cheese and everything, and I lost 66 pounds. Today ain't, I'm not getting it for my weight loss or whatever. I'm just getting it. And then I got one of these supercharged strawberry lemonade. I think it's the strawberry one. Did I have the receipt on here? Let's see. Oh, the Fuji apple and cranberry supercharged lemonades. They say these things right here do not let you go to sleep. So I don't know how true that is, but but yeah, y'all. I'm just sitting in the car. When I get through eating this grilled cheese and drinking a little bit of this, because my throat is like scratchy. I'm gonna go in Five Below and I'm gonna take y'all in there. Alright. Made Five Below. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get some socks too while I'm in here. I just thought about it. I needed some socks. Oh, these Star Wars ones are kind of cute and they kind of thick. These here, $5. And they have all kinds of little t-shirts and workouts. Press on nails, hair accessories. Y'all, it's super crazy. They got these little Kylie and Kendall little accessories, $5, little purses. This is like extremely packed in here. I found 3 t-shirts I'll show you. These are the other little t-shirts. The other little t-shirt section is full. This is a Star Wars one. Excuse me. We have this. So the Star Wars one. This is a Pac-Man one. Plus y'all know I got some little Star Wars socks. this Top Gun one. I'm thinking about actually getting another one. I think that one will be okay, I think. Cause I got these little socks, and I need to get some little headphones too, because the ones I got were dirty, disgusting. So yeah. Alright, y'all, I'm at Bubba's. I'm getting Jordan. I don't know if you can see, this is like a pizza wing sports bar type of thing. I'm getting Jordan food. Y'all know he on lockdown at the house, so he can't leave. So I'm getting him some food. I gotta get out here right quick because it's probably copyrighted material. Alright.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing.